You've got SSL on your website. Great. But let me ask you something. If someone broke into your building through the back door, would you feel safe just because the front door was locked? That's exactly what's happening to thousands of small businesses online right now. They've got SSL. They think they're protected. And then one day, a customer sends them a screenshot. It says, your connection is not private. And just like that, trust gone. Today, we're going beyond basic SSL. I'm going to show you how to build a truly bulletproof digital security system for your small business. One that protects every door, not just the front one. Think of your business's digital security like a physical office building. SSL is your front door lock. It encrypts the data traveling between your website and your visitors. It's essential, absolutely non-negotiable in 2026. But here's what most small business owners don't realize. Your front door is not the only way in. What about your emails? Every day you're sending invoices, proposals, client data through email. And most of that is completely unprotected. This is where the SSL Plus mindset comes in. SSL Plus means, yes, secure your website, but then ask yourself, what else needs a lock? The answer for most small businesses starts with email. And the tool that gives your email that same level of trust, it's called S-MIME, Secure/Multi-Purpose Internet Mail Extensions. It digitally signs your emails, so your clients know without a doubt that the message came from you, not a hacker pretending to be you. SSL secures your front door. S-MIME secures your mailbox. Both matter. Now, let's talk about something that came up a lot in our community. And honestly, it causes more damage than most security breaches ever will. The browser warning. You know the one. That red screen that says not secure or your connection is not private. For non-technical users, which is most of your customers, that screen is terrifying. They don't know what it means technically. They just know one thing. Leave this website immediately. And here's the painful part. Most of the time, that warning isn't caused by a hack. It's caused by a preventable mistake on the business owner's side. 3 most common causes. 1, your SSL certificate expired. This happens more than you'd think because people set it and forget it. Set a calendar reminder 30 days before expiry. Better yet, use auto renewal. 2, your website has mixed content. Your main page is HTTPS, but somewhere on the page, an image, a script, a third-party widget is still loading over HTTP. Browsers catch this and flag the whole page. 3, your SSL was installed on the wrong domain. SSL for www.yourbusiness.com doesn't automatically cover yourbusiness.com. You need what's called a wildcard certificate or a multi-domain certificate to cover all your variations. Fix these 3 things and you eliminate probably 90% of the browser warning risk. All right, let's bring this all together. Here's what a bulletproof digital security system actually looks like for a small business. Layer 1, website security. Get SSL installed. Use auto renewal. Audit for mixed content regularly. If you're running an e-commerce site or collecting any kind of form data, don't skip this. Layer 2, email security. Implement S-MIME for your business email. This digitally signs outgoing messages and encrypts sensitive communications. It tells your clients this email is verified, it came from us, and no one has tampered with it. For B2B businesses especially, where email is still the primary channel for proposals and contracts, this is not optional anymore. Layer 3, access control. Use multi-factor authentication on every business account. Email, cloud storage, CRM, accounting software, everything. One compromised password without MFA is all it takes. Layer 4, regular audits. Security isn't a one-time setup. Schedule a quarterly review. Check certificate expiry dates, review who has access to what, and scan for vulnerabilities. Treat it like a fire drill, routine, not reactive. These 4 layers together, that's your bulletproof system. Security used to be something only enterprise companies worried about. But in 2026, small businesses are the #1 target. precisely because attackers know most of them aren't fully protected. Start with SSL, layer in S-MIME, lock down your access, and audit regularly. If you want to go deeper on any of these, especially SSL certificates or email security setup for your business, drop your questions in the comments. We read every single one, and that's exactly how we build content that actually helps you. If this video gave you value, subscribe, because we cover practical digital security and infrastructure topics for small business owners every week. See you in the next one.